Yo, what up guys? Today we're going to be fitting the Jatsui spoiler. It's the full carbon fibre universal, so it should be pretty much bolt on. I'm going to have to take my boot lid off and fill in the original holes from the original spoiler. And other than that, drill the holes in the right place pretty much. So I've kidnapped Skippy to give me a hand doing it. And yeah, should be sweet. Let's do it.
I see what you're doing now.
Just go see. This looks like you do this to me.
That is.
Okay, I can.
Yeah, it's a bit breathing.
It's on there. Okay. It fits your car better than it does mine. Holy shit, that is tall.
It is though.
Wow. Do you want one, Skip?
Yes, I do.
I may have to get smaller legs. It's above your roof. I thought it was going to be bad enough being above mine. Ooh. The seed has been planted. He's gonna get one. Do it, 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 do it.
My fans took this flow and ran, made like 40 grand, understand, yeah, this is all I wanted in my life.
So to temporarily fill the holes, we're going to use this magic stuff called Q-Bond with this magic pink paper that it doesn't stick to, and we fill the hole up with powder. And then we drip some super glue. And it should go rock solid in like seconds, or the super glue is not going to bond very well, and it's going to do that. The proper one soaks in immediately and has a much better effect than this. But it's probably because it's the wrong glue for it.
So I'm doing what I love while you wasting every night, yeah. Heard she brought a bottle, take that bottle to the face. Treat me like a superstar so I can get a taste, oh yeah, yeah. Haters keep on acting like a bitch, they ain't shit. Probably love me when I'm rich, so I'm coming for.
So, holes are filled in temporarily. I've got a little bit of surface rust here, and it's a bit messy. But we'll get that sorted at some point when I get everything else sorted. Boot back on, and scary part, drill some holes.
I'm coming for the Forbeses, dressing up my bank account till it be looking gorgeous. Roll up with $1 million so no one can ignore it. Watch my dreams all slowly come alive, never lie, swear we all about to rise. So I'm coming for the Forbeses, dressing up my bank account till it be looking gorgeous. Roll up with $1 million so no one can ignore it. Watch my dreams all slowly come alive, never lie, swear we all about to ride. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Superstar in my blood, doubt is getting no love. White boy making hard hits, got me fucking all the beats up. Wanna go hit the stages, all love. Ignoring all those negatives, got bigger goals and I'm getting it. Got hits coming so effortless, like whoa, why you love these hoes? Found my girl, she gold, hit my bro, you already know. Changing up my flow, like hands up in the air, yeah. Bless, I do a prayer, yeah. Said my life is rare and success will come in pairs, oh yeah. Heard she brought a bottle, take that bottle to the face. Treat me like a superstar so I can get a taste, oh yeah, yeah. Haters keep on acting like a bitch, they ain't shit. Probably love me when I'm rich, so I'm coming for the Forbeses, dressing up my bank account till it be looking gorgeous. Roll up with $1 million so no one can ignore it. Watch my dreams all slowly come alive, never lie, swear we all about to ride. So I'm coming for the Forbeses, dressing up my bank account till it be looking gorgeous. Roll up with $1 million so no one.
We're very poorly marked it out.
Looks like a Picasso.
So we're basically marked out cross points everywhere and got it even.
Pretty much.
So 2 straight lines to make sure this is straight, measured across this again here. So basically these are the same size as that side, there's the same size as this side, and this is here, it's all equal distances. And then we've lined up with this line, with that line, done the holes. Let's drill a hole in my car. Cover your eyes, Skip.
I don't want to do it.
Cover your eyes.
Ignore it. Watch my dreams all slowly come alive. Never lies, where we all about to ride. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't really wanna act conceited, but your boys becoming a man. Yeah, catch me just writing these sets every week, and you know it's a part of the plan. What y'all want? Ain't no juice to flaunt, but I'll never stop till I top all these fucking charts. Give it all I got. Yeah, never gonna lose this type. Don't have goals and you ain't my type. Took this chance and I rolled that dice. Rappers say they want it, but they only gonna get it if they ain't gonna fight. Like no, no, that ain't how it works anymore. If you ain't born rich, you don't gotta die poor.
I can't see him. What are you doing? We have holes.
Time to detape.
D-tape and yeah, hope for the best. Almost.
Close. Close. Is it raining? Okay.
We are now treating the holes so they don't rust.
Are you treating them well?
Nope.
Now, heard she brought a bottle, take that bottle to the face. Treat me like a superstar so I can get a taste. Oh, yeah, yeah. Haters keep on acting.
Carbon! Carbon! More carbon! Even more carbon! Look at the carbon!
And a nice new number plate too. The last one breaking had absolutely nothing to do with me. Lol. No spoiler. Completely bald. Bit like the cameraman. Ooh, the ball.
Show me Pika.
Oh yeah. Check it out.
Like a bitch, they ain't shit. Probably love me when I'm rich. So I'm coming for the Forbes list. Dressing up my bank account till it be looking gorgeous. Roll up with $1 million so no one can ignore it. Watch my dreams all slowly come alive. Never lies, where we all about to ride. So I'm coming for the Forbes list. Dressing up my bank account till it be looking gorgeous. Roll up with $1 million so no one can ignore it. Watch my dreams all slowly come alive. Never lies, where we all about to ride. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Wang.
Got a wang. It's a bit floppy.
Wang.
Got a wang.
That is a big ass wang. Yeah, actually, on camera it makes it look huge. I mean, it is huge, don't get me wrong, but on camera it looks absolutely huge,
Damn.
doesn't it?
It does.
But when you look at it here, in real life, yeah, it's still big, but, you know, one thing's for sure, it looks fat. P-H-A-T. Fat. Look at that overhang that we got there. This thing's going to take off. You need a pilot's license.
I'm gonna get pulled over.
It's a bit late for that. You just drilled 8 holes in the thing. What, are you going to eat off of it first?
Pizza. Oh yeah. Yeah. Cobbled wang. Right, okay. So that is how not to install a wang. But it's on. Minor things will get done as time goes on. We'll do it properly, professionally at some point. By someone other than us.
When it comes to body work,
Yeah, we can do engines, we can do mechanical, but
Professional term.
This stuff is not our forte. No.
Back's on there.
It's on.
It's been held by
It looks sick.
8 volt. So I think we've done our job.
I think I'm going to put the camera on charge, go get some food, stop looking at it. It's straight. I know what you're gonna say,
No, it is actually.
but
It is.
we're parked on a slope.
Alright. No, it's not. I was just looking.
My tyre pressures are low. I'm running out of
I was looking
excuses.
at
Okay, we're gonna go out, get some food, and get some nice shots of the car with a wang on now. Peace out.
Haters keep on acting like a bitch, they ain't shit. Probably love me when I'm rich, so I'm coming for the Forbes list. Dressing up my bank account till it be looking gorgeous. Roll up with